Hi everyone, this is episode 5 of the KnE Productivity Video Series. Today I'm going to show you how to create drop-down lists in Microsoft Excel. Drop-downs allow people to pick an item from a list that you create. In a new sheet, type the items that you want to appear in the drop-down list. Now, select where you want the drop-down list to appear. Select Data on the menu and then Data Validation. In the window that pops up, under Allow, choose List. Select the Source button. Now, select the items that you want to appear in the drop-down list. Press Enter, and then, select OK. Now, your drop-down list will work. You can choose any of the values that you selected on the list before. That's it. Hope you find it useful. The Productivity Video Series is brought to you by KnowledgeE. To know more about our core services, please visit knowledge.com.